Hi, good evening. Welcome back to Shaglines. I'm Raghavan. Now we'll see end of the day market report. Before that, we will see how US market closed overnight. Dow Jones lost 48 points and closed at 15,470, whereas Nasdaq closed flat at 3,654. Asian markets closed mixed. Nikkei lost 290 points, Taiwan lost 13 points, and Shanghai lost close to 2 points. Whereas Straits Times gained 5 points, Hang Seng gained 64 points, and Kospi gained 6 points. Our market opened well. It made a high of 5,577.60 and it made a low of 5,513. It closed at 5,565 with a gain of 46 points from yesterday's close. Sensex closed at 18,789 with a gain of 124 points. Sensex made a high of 18,829 and a made low of 18,629. Now we will see hourly basis how Nifty traded. Today is the first day where we didn't see huge volatility. It's a normal trading. Normally index moved up without any breakdown. Opened at 5513 around at 9:15, and that is the low. It kept on till 10:15. Then the lows started to improve, that is higher lows we started to make. That is the main thing for the market to go up. So at 11:15 we made a low of 5,528. Then we didn't crash, we started to move up. Then we made a low of 5540 around at 12 o'clock. Then we started to move up. 5540 is the last low we made it. After that we never crashed back to 5528 or 5510. It's a very good sign. Then it moved up and it closed at 5565. At one point it went to 5577. It's good. So now, as tomorrow Friday is a holiday and Saturday, Sunday is as a holiday, Monday we have to see whether the market is not crashing 5540 and 5528. That's a main level, intermediate support levels right now. Support levels got improved. Now we will see the gainers in Nifty and losers in Nifty. Ranbaxy, after a long time, gained close to 27% in Nifty. We have never seen Ranbaxy rally like this. But maybe a sentimental booster. Huge shorts are there in Ranbaxy. Huge short covering would have happened in the stocks. Hindalco gained 6%, DLF gained 5%, Tata Steel gained 5%, and Cipla gained close to 5%. Today, if you see, metals again started to contribute. For the past 3 days, we are seeing metals started to rise from its lows. Losers, Lupin lost 3%, Sun Pharma lost 3%, SBI lost 3%, Dr. Reddy lost 1.3%, and Reliance lost close to 0.5%. If you see the main three stocks, Dr. Reddy, Lupin and Sun Pharma are the contributors of Nifty long time. These pharma stocks started to move where all other stocks are not contributing. Now it's reversing a bit. We will see whether this trend continues or not. Now we will see outside Nifty which are the stocks moved up. STC hit upper circuit 20% up. Gujarat Gas hit upper circuit 20% up. Dredging Corp up 20%. Bharat Forge, because of its good results, up 16%. And Tilak Nagar Industries, because of the news of investment from foreign companies, it's up by 13%. 2 days back we have given, that is yesterday, we have given STC delivery call around at 83 rupees. Today it is yesterday also it is up by close to 13% to 15%. Today also it's up by 20%. So in 2 days it has given almost 35% return. So safe players can book the profit. Dredging Corporation is today's delivery call, which is already logged in upper circuit of 20%. We'll see that how it will move tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Whether it can continuously move up or circuit, you can book the profit also there. Now we'll see about commodities. Brent crude down 60 cents and trading at $106.80. Gold is down 65 rupees and trading at 27,612. Silver is up 300 rupees and trading at 41,817. Right now, all the European markets gained. FTSE gained 37 points, CAC gained 26 points and DAX gained 62 points. Now we'll see about rupee. Rupee, after a long time, we gained 42 paisa against dollar and closed at 60 rupees 88 paisa. Previous close is 61 rupees 30 paisa. So we gained. There is some news about RBI doing cash management from Monday. Let's see that how it is going to work. Maybe a positive booster, but 60-70 is a strong support for a dollar. Let's see that if it crashes, then only we can go back to 60 rupees for rupee. And now, today morning, we have given 3 sell and 3 buy. We'll see what happened to that. Lupin is a sell call which reached the target. TCS is a sell call, still it's on the hold. So those who are in futures, they can hold. Opening itself, it's down too much. So those who are booked, no problem in cash market. So you can hold in future market with the stop loss of whatever the stop loss we have given. I think we have given around 1891. Tata Motors trigger the stop loss. Now we will see about the buy calls which we have given today. We have given BPCL, IndusInd Bank and Sisal. All these 3 calls are still valid, where BPCL made a high of 283. It opened down, it has given ample opportunity to buy, then it went to 283. IndusInd Bank opened down close to 3%, it has given opportunity to buy, then it made a high of 377.50. Sisal also opened down, then it made a high of 134.50. So all the calls are still valid. Still the calls have given money. Intraday, I think, hope so everybody would have booked the profit. So weekly you can hold the stock with strict stop loss from your buying price. Nice day, nice close we have made it. We have to check how this is going, whether this carry forward for Monday. It is very good. We can go to 5,600 also. We will see that how it is going to happen. For more, visit our website www.sharjain.com. If you have any queries, post in this YouTube video itself. Thank you.